It smells like fresh cookies, probably because of the coconut. Now, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want hair fall solutions, or if you want your hair to grow, to shine, and if you want to get rid of the split ends, then this video is for you. So do watch till the end. So this has been the most requested video since I've joined YouTube. A lot of you have been requesting in the comment section and have been messaging me on Instagram to do a hair care video and asking me about how to grow hair, how to control hair fall, how to make the hair shiny and all of that. And I thought, okay, I do have some home remedies, so why not share it with you guys as well. So yeah, I finally decided to do a video. Let's just begin. I have around 5 to 6 home remedies that I usually do to keep my hair healthy, but today I will share 2 to 3 with you guys, and the others I will share in my next video, hopefully. The first remedy I'm going to talk about is the most famous and the most useful one. I personally have been using this remedy for 2 to 3 years now, and I find it extremely useful, especially when you're regular with it. You don't have to use it very frequently, like once in a week or twice in a week at the most. Not more than that. I would not recommend it. Now that is onion juice and some oils. The oils I use are almond oil and coconut oil. You can use any oil, olive oil, castor oil, or whatever is available to you. It's perfectly fine. You can even use onion juice separately, like individually on your scalp, but I would prefer to mix some oils with it. Let's just talk about the benefits of it. Now there are a lot of benefits of onion juice. The main one is that onion juice can provide extra sulfur to your hair, which promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. It can also prevent premature graying of your hair, and it is also a very good cure for dandruff and itchy scalp. Now if we talk about the benefits of almond oil, we all know how beneficial almond oil is for our hair. It helps the hair to grow, it makes them less prone to split ends, it promotes a healthy scalp, and it will make your hair shinier and softer. The coconut oil also has more or less the same benefits. It will also help to make your hair grow longer, thicker and healthier. Now when it comes to hair growth and preventing hair loss, these two have to be my favorite. Now I will show you guys how I apply it. One recommendation that I have for all of you that do a patch test before applying anything new to your skin or your hair. You should know what suits you and what doesn't. If it irritates you in any way, do not use it. Now how I apply it. First, I apply oil. I showed you guys that I heat it for 30 seconds. Now I just take the oil and I'll take a strand of my hair and apply oil like this. Make sure to apply enough on your ends. Take a cotton, dip it in the onion juice and apply it to your scalp like this. Now you have to apply it like this on your whole scalp. everywhere. Just keep parting your hair and keep applying the onion juice to your whole scalp, and after 30 minutes just wash your hair. That's it. Now the second remedy is also one of my top favorites because it includes aloe vera. And aloe vera can do wonders to your skin and your hair. You can use just aloe vera on your scalp and on your hair, or mix it with some oils. Now how I use it, I mix aloe vera with 1 capsule of vitamin E, almond and coconut oil to make the most out of it. Let's just jump into the benefits and how to make it. Now aloe vera and vitamin E alone have a lot of benefits for your hair, but if you combine them, the mixture will turn out to be much more beneficial. I have been using this mixture for a long time now and the results are actually pretty amazing. I would definitely recommend this. So this is a mixture that I made: aloe vera, vitamin E, coconut and almond oil. And it smells like fresh cookies, probably because of the coconut. Now I will take a little amount and apply it directly to my hair. Massage it nicely on your scalp and to your shaft and roots as well. Now like this, apply it to all of your hair, leave it in your hair for 30 minutes to 1 hour and wash your hair. This mixture also helps the hair to grow. So after applying it for 2 to 3 weeks, you will definitely see the difference. Now the last thing I'm going to talk about will help you get rid of your split ends. Now the remedy of aloe vera, vitamin E, almond and coconut oil will also help you get rid of the split ends. But I found this new remedy that I heard about recently and I searched on it, and then I applied it on my hair and it actually worked pretty amazingly. And that includes just one thing, and it is super easy. That is Vaseline. Now how you have to apply it, it's very simple. Just take the amount of Vaseline you think is appropriate and apply it to your ends. I would not recommend applying it to your whole hair or your scalp. I would just recommend you to apply it on your ends, and that's it. You can apply it 30 minutes before washing your hair, and after 2 to 3 washes, like after using it for 2 to 3 times, you will see the difference. I saw the difference and I was amazed. It really worked. To be very honest, nothing has worked for my split ends so far except for this. It actually does work. You have to try it. So yeah guys, these are a few of the remedies that I include in my hair care routine. And one thing I would like to add here is that I always apply something on my hair before washing it. And if I am short in time, I would just apply some oil, but I do apply something. Now these remedies may take a little time to make, but you have to do that for your hair, right? Your hair deserves that. You destroy it, you have to take care of it. Nobody else is going to come and take care of it for you. you have spent so many years in destroying it, you can also spend a little time to make it better as well. I will share the other remedies, the shampoo, the conditioner, and other stuff that I use for my hair in my next videos. Hopefully, if you like this video and you found it helpful, do let me know in the comments. Do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.